How to download songs from Suno AI. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process on how to easily download songs from Suno AI that you created. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Let's begin on the video. The first thing you need to do is open up a web browser and search for Suno AI. And once you hit enter, you'll find this link right here, suno.com. And once you open up the website, you just have to make sure to log into your account. And once you are logged in, you will have songs that you have created. So go ahead and click on Create Songs. So just go ahead and click on this Create option right here. And if you want to create new songs or if you need new ideas, you can click here, click on this one, and from here just simply enter what you're feeling and what you want to feel and what your favorite genre of music is. Click on Create and it will start creating music for you. And if you want to download anything from here, you just click on the three dots right here and you'll see the download option. You can download both the audio and the video from here and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.